Okay, I'll destroy people in this video. Sums exactly how people feel about artificial. Most people have intelligence, yet currently, there is no danger to us. Obliterated by machinery. Elon Musk, a tech entrepreneur, asks not the same. Hello and welcome to KYC News. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. He states that AI poses a significant risk. The continuation of human civilization, whether or not artificial intelligence. Let me know if there is a threat. If not, your comments in the space provided for I'll now present artificial intelligence to you. The concept of artificial intelligence, the term intellect, was first used decades a long time by John McCarty in the year 1956, defining the Dartmouth Conference science of artificial intelligence engineering for creating intelligent systems. Machines, in some ways AI, is a method for programming computers to work and act in a humane manner, and in the recent past, AI was able to do this end by developing machines and robots that are employed in a variety of numerous industries, including healthcare, analytics, and marketing, and robots. Moreover, however, many AI applications do not appear to be AI because we frequently have a tendency to robots using artificial intelligence our routine. But the reality is the best use for artificial intelligence is it has gotten so ingrained in our daily lives, so prevalent that we are unaware of its usage. It constantly. For example, have you ever wondered how Google may provide? How can you get such precise search results? Your Facebook feed provides you with content that is tailored to your interests. The response to these queries is fake intelligence. Just now, before I continue, let me dispel a widely held misunderstanding. People frequently hold the belief that machine learning using artificial intelligence, the same as deep learning, since people frequently use them. For Siri is an example of an AI application. The use of machine learning, then how do these technologies get eliminated? The science is called artificial intelligence. Of obtaining tools to replicate the using machine learning to study human behavior. AI subset that focuses on obtaining devices that use feeding to make decisions. Their information, however, is in depth. Machine learning includes learning as a subset that applies neural network theory to resolve difficult issues. To summarize, machine with artificial intelligence, deep learning, and education are interdisciplinary. Machine learning, moreover, artificial intelligence is required for deep learning ingenuity by offering a collection of neural networks and algorithms for solving problems that are data-driven. But AI is not limited to simply artificial intelligence, and deep learning encompasses a wide range of, among them, natural language computer processing, object detection, robotics with vision, expert systems, etc. Today, artificial intelligence consisting of three evolutionary, or you could say that there are stages, three different artificial types. Foremost, intellect. There is the narrow artificial intelligence, general artificial intelligence, and artificial superintelligence. At last, narrow artificial intelligence, that is often referred to as weak AI, entails using specialized artificial intelligence duties. Currently available are numerous systems that assert to use synthetic intelligence is functioning as a subpar AI, concentrating on a clearly defined specific problem. Right now, Alexa is a great illustration. It functions with limited intelligence within a specific constrained range of there is no genuine neither intelligence nor self-awareness, despite being an advanced illustration of additional instances of inadequate AI, a face-to-face confirmation of your identity. Check out the autopilot feature on your iPhone. Sophia, a social humanoid, is at Tesla, which Hanson Robotics constructed. Finally, Google Maps offers all of these. Applications rely on subpar AI, artificially limited intelligence. Now allow me to consider the artificial general intelligence. Understanding is sometimes referred to as strong AI. It entails machinery with the capacity to execute any scholarly activity that a people can see things that machines can't. Possess talents similar to those of humans. powerful computer system that can do calculations at a high level, yet they are not but still able to reason and think like a person. Many experts disagree with that. Generic artificial intelligence will ever be conceivable, and there are numerous others who query whether it ought to desire it. I'm sure everyone has heard that Stephen Hawking was warning currently that powerful AI would launch on its own redesign, and at a steadily rising rate those who are hampered by slow evolutionary biology couldn't compete and would prevail upon the approach of this is an artificial superintelligence. Word used to describe the moment when the computer's skills will advance artificial superhumans. Human currently, intelligence is viewed as a hypothetical scenario as shown in science fiction movies and literature where eventually machines will rule the globe. Nevertheless, tech visionaries like Elon Musk think that the world will be ruled by superintelligence. Considering what you know, the world in 2040, the various forms of artificial intelligence, let's consider how the usage of AI in the real world ranges. Finding a solar system with an edible planet. This is about 2,500 light years distant. The act of writing sonnets and poetry. AI applications have reached across all potential domains available in the relationship with JP Morgan in the financial sector. Artificial intelligence is used by platforms, image analysis and machine learning, legal recognition software, analysis documents and gather crucial information a matter of minutes, points and clauses, seconds. Currently checking 12,000 agreements manually. Over $36,000 is required. However, AI was able to this rapidly approaching in a few seconds. IBM is a leader in the field of healthcare, which has produced AI software over 230 great for medication. Global healthcare organizations use in 2016. IBM Watson technology. The IBM Watson AI system was able to compare 20 million oncology references. Documentation and accurate diagnosis of a rare patient's leukemia condition is coming. The following use of Google's AI. Another initiative by the doctor is to where they are employed with an IKEA chain in India will create an AI system that can assess retinal scans and identify the diabetic disease, the retinopathy that results in blindness. Utilizing social media platforms. Facebook employs artificial intelligence, whereas the machine for face verification. Learning and principles of deep learning are used to identify and tag face features. Your pals is another illustration of this. Twitter's artificial intelligence, AI, identify terroristic and hateful speech languages it employs in tweets. Deep learning, machine learning and filtering using natural language processing. The business removes inappropriate materials detected and prohibited 300,000 of accounts tied to terrorism, 95% of which were discovered by artificially intelligent non-human. The Google predictive search is a machine. One of the most well-known uses of AI. After you start entering a search keyword, Google suggests actions for you to a demonstration of artificial intelligence using data. Predictive searches are conducted that Google assembles about you, including your address, age, and other personal information. With AI search engine makes an educated judgment as to what you in search of. The following virtual watch with support from assistants Cortana, Alexa, and Siri are some examples of a recent publication on artificial intelligence. Google is Google's virtual assistant. Millions of people were astounded by the duplex. Not only is unable to answer calls, but booking your appointments adds a now. Have a look at this video and attempt to differentiate between the EAI and the person. Caillou, hello. I would like to book a table for Wednesday. 707 individuals are for 4 people at 6 o'clock on Wednesday. Folks win. Actually, sir, I truly like opera. Similar to applying persons for people you can. So which one do you believe to be? The Vigilant Assistant informed me of your comment with your response. Another well-known instance of self-driving technology is artificial intelligence. AI implementation of computer vision in autos, building with detection and deep learning vehicles with automated detection without a human. Move around items intervention. Elon Musk frequently discusses how Tesla's AI is implemented autopilot functions and self-driving vehicles. He stated that Tesla will completely implement autonomous vehicles, will be ready by the end of the year, and a first-generation robo-taxi that is capable of transporting passengers alone driving. So I can ramble on and on regarding the different applications since following the development of AI in the 1950s, experienced a rapid expansion in its potential. AI encompasses areas like deep learning and machine learning, natural language processing, network systems for exporting knowledge bases, etc. Additionally, it has entered computers. AI's use of vision and image processing extending to every area of our lives. Is it conceivable that one day AI may take control of our lives? And if it does, how long could this possibly take? Well, it might happen sooner than you anticipate. It's predicted that AI would replace humans and the planet in the 30 years from now. I then hope that we create some kind of a device that facilitates teleportation. Thank you for watching.